Hey people, I am Deputy George, and I'm out here patrolling the area, making sure uh, uh, the area is peaceful. I'm serving and protecting. You can count on me, Deputy George. Yeah, and I gotta take this call. Uh, okay, I got a 698 in the area. Um, I need backup. And 10:45 over. Okay, now I'm gonna check that wood out over there. Well, okay, gotta make sure that wood is safe. Well, it looks like it's safe to me. Uh, good, stacked up good, yeah. I don't know about that wood right there. That wood's all piled up there. It's looks like it's dangerous. I cannot trust a pile of scrap wood. I tell you what, it just don't look right. It's not stacked. That's uh, a big concern to me. That really concerns me. But that wood's stacked. It's good. It's good, neat, and orderly. I don't know. I'm tell you what. I'm tell you what. Hey, Sheriff, we got a situation. A pile of wood is uh here at 698. We got a 698 problem here. 10:45 over. Okay, I'm gonna check the creek out. Go down to the creek. Okay. See. I'll see. Oh, checked out the creek. Check out the creek. See here. Well, I think I look good with my cap on. I'll tell you what. I'm a good looking man. Tell you what. Oh, it's dry. That concerns me. Tell you what's dry. Tell you what. Oh, Sheriff, we got another situation. The creek's dry. We got another 698 problem. The creek's dry. Man. Alright. 10:45 and out and bye.